What if you could immerse yourself in a cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home? With sound and visuals so lifelike, you feel as though you're part of the action unfolding before your eyes. You won't believe the level of sophistication and technological prowess packed into the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE 7.2-Channel AV receiver, a device so advanced it redefines the very concept of home entertainment. For years, audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts have been plagued by the limitations of outdated technology, forced to compromise on sound quality, video resolution, and connectivity options. The frustration of dealing with obsolete HDMI standards, the lack of support for immersive audio formats, and the inability to seamlessly integrate with the latest gaming consoles and smart devices have been persistent thorns in the side of those seeking an unparalleled viewing experience. But the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE is here to change that narrative, addressing the specific frustrations and gaps in the market with its premium build quality, aesthetic appeal, and cutting-edge features. As you unbox this masterpiece, you're immediately struck by its robust construction and sleek design, exuding a sense of luxury and sophistication that hints at the exceptional performance that lies within. The first time you power it on, the intuitive interface and comprehensive menu system make it effortless to navigate and customize the settings to your heart's content. The feel of using it for the first time is akin to discovering a new dimension of sound and vision, as if the very boundaries of reality have been expanded to envelop you in a cocoon of pure, unadulterated entertainment. Delving deeper into the features of this technological tour de force, we find a plethora of benefits that set it apart from its contemporaries. Firstly, the 7.2-channel configuration, coupled with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, enables the creation of a truly immersive audio environment, where sound seems to emanate from all directions, drawing you into the heart of the action. Secondly, the 7-in/1-out HDMI setup, complete with HDCP 2.3 and eARC, future-proofs your system, allowing you to take full advantage of the latest video standards, including 8K and 4K/120, with all inputs supporting 4K 60 and 3 inputs capable of handling 8K 60B and 4K 120AB. This means that whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, playing the latest games, or streaming your favorite shows, the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE has got you covered, delivering visuals that are nothing short of breathtaking. Thirdly, the inclusion of ALLM and VRR makes this receiver a gamer's dream come true, ensuring a responsive and lag-free experience that's essential for next-gen gaming. Fourthly, the support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HLG, and BT Point 2020 guarantees state-of-the-art video quality, with colors that pop, contrasts that dazzle, and a level of detail that's simply stunning. Fifthly, the Advanced Room Calibration System, YPORSC with multi-point measurement, ensures that the sound is optimized for your specific listening environment, eliminating any acoustic anomalies and providing a listening experience that's tailored to your unique space. And lastly, the Surround AI technology automatically optimizes the sound settings in real time, using artificial intelligence to create a sonic landscape that's perfectly balanced and utterly captivating. To put these features to the test, I decided to push the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE to its limits in a challenging real-world scenario. I set up a home theater system in a large, open-plan living room, complete with an 85-inch 8K TV, a high-end soundbar, and a gaming console. I then proceeded to play a demanding 8K video, complete with Dolby Atmos audio, while simultaneously streaming music to a pair of wireless speakers in a separate room, using the Music Cast feature. The results were nothing short of astonishing, with the receiver handling the complex audio and video signals with ease, delivering a performance that was both flawless and breathtaking. The sound was rich and immersive, with pinpoint accuracy and depth, while the video was crisp and vibrant, with colors that seemed to leap off the screen. In terms of pros and cons, the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE has a multitude of advantages that make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a high-end AV receiver. Firstly, its exceptional sound quality, courtesy of the 7.2-channel configuration and support for immersive audio formats, is a major draw. Secondly, its future-proof HDMI setup, complete with support for 8K and 4K/120, ensures that you'll be able to take full advantage of the latest video standards for years to come. Thirdly, its advanced room calibration system and surround AI technology make it incredibly easy to set up and optimize, even for those without extensive technical knowledge. However, one minor con that's worth mentioning is the slightly steep learning curve, particularly for those who are new to high-end AV receivers. Nevertheless, this is a minor quibble that's easily overcome with a bit of patience and practice, and it's a small price to pay for the level of performance and sophistication that the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE offers. In comparison to its competitors, the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE stands head and shoulders above the rest, offering a level of performance, features, and build quality that's unmatched in its class. Whether you're looking at the Denon AVR X6700H, the Onkyo TX, NR6100, or the Sony STR ZA5000ES, the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE is the clear winner, offering a more comprehensive feature set, better sound quality, and a more premium build. So, if you're in a market for a high-end AV receiver that could deliver a truly immersive home theater experience, look no further than the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE. In conclusion, the Yamaha RX-A2A AVENTAGE 7.2-channel AV receiver is a game-changer, a device that redefines the very concept of home entertainment and sets a new standard for sound and video quality.